Hey, it's Michelle with Jeff Cook Real Estate. We're here on Cattle Drive in Timberlake Farms. We're about less than 6 miles to the Surfside Pier in this neighborhood. These are all brand new. There's plenty of lots still available. These are going as fast as they get them up. So if you're interested, give me a call. 843-823-1182. Just gonna go through nice French doors. Let's go this way first. Large open floor plan to the kitchen. At this stage you can still design and choose some of your own countertops and colors. Overlooking the lake. Master suite on the first floor. Walk-in closet, very spacious. Modern light switches, security all throughout. Laundry room. This goes to the garage. Coat closet. Another closet. And another bedroom or office. So 3 bedrooms on the first floor. Closet, attic space where your AC is kept. Another bathroom, closet, another bedroom upstairs. Tall ceilings. These are D.R. Horton homes. I think it's called the Imperial. So if you're interested, reach out. 843-823-1182, and I hope you have a blessed day.